That's what enables the sacrifice in the meantime. People don't like sacrificing if they don't know nothing, if they don't know anything's coming at the other end. You know what I mean? So to me, it's just a matter of, hey, get really clear on like, this is where we're headed. This is the type of lifestyle that we're building and working toward. And in the meantime, we're going to have to make some uncomfortable decisions. We're going to have to sacrifice more than most people are willing to sacrifice. But if you want to live a life that nobody else can live, you have to do the things that nobody else is willing to do. And that's part of the game. And if you look at every extremely successful person, I'm not talking about like, again, it's all comes down to what you want to do and what your goals are. Because there's plenty of people who have lifestyle businesses. They make 7 figures a year. They make like $1.6 million. They profit 500 grand and they make 50 grand a month and they live in a nice part of town. They have kids in great schools. They drive nice cars and that's great for them, but they're never going to buy a private jet. They're never going to own an island or something like that. You know what I'm saying? So like there's levels to it and you have to get clarity around which one you're trying to get to.
Yeah.
But my point is like whatever that is, like that's the conversations that you're having. It's not about like this 10 grand that I want to spend on this thing or this 25 grand or this 3 grand. It's not about those numbers randomly on a short timeline or short timetable, because those will never make sense to anybody that's not entrepreneurial minded. They'll never make sense. It's about painting the picture to be like, this is what life is going to be like once we get this thing nailed down. And it might take me 5 years, honey. It might take me 10 years. It might take me another 15 years to get there, maybe even 20. But the bottom line is like in 20 years, we fast forward. Do you want to be retirement age, 65, 70 years old? Do you want to get up to that point and worry about where your next paycheck is coming? Or do you want to get to that point, travel the world, take our kids with us, like go see places that nobody else has ever been to? Like, what do you want? Like, what version of life do you want? Because in the meantime, we're going to have to work toward that goal. And it's got to be a big enough vision that gets them not only like on board, but excited to quote unquote allow you to do the things that you need to do and to support you in the things that you feel need to happen for the business to be successful. Hope that.
Thanks for watching Mark Savant Media. Here we're going to help you create a better content in less time and turn that attention into income. If you love this video, you're going to love these videos here. Click the one. Me and my team specially selected this just for you. Click the link. Check out the video. I'll catch you here next time on Mark Savant Media. Peace.